Want to see if someone has blocked you on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your device. Then click on the message icon from the top right corner of your screen. After that, select the person that might have blocked you. Now click on their profile from the top of your screen. Then tap on the profile. If their profile seems like this, then they might have blocked you. Another way to know is by mentioning them in a comment. First, find a post, then go to the comment section and try to mention them. If this message is shown, then they might have blocked you. And that's how you can know if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.